every fucking second. Wish you could end this by pressing buttons. Ooh, what's this? Another rushing head spins. No wonder we end up getting messy. Sometimes I break down and cry while holding me, kill, licking papa. No, I'm a wreck, love that, cause I keep fucking up. Damn, this crazy thoughts, that's pretty shady. I'm gonna make it, who am I, the pretty little lady? No more stressing, keep heading for the top. Full of blessings, make it go until it back. I say get your head up, embrace the fact that the world is yours and make your dreams come true. Go and let nobody stop you, let nobody hurt you. Aim for the sky is the limit. Just say I got a love for the hip hop in my soul. And you no more darkness, no more empty hurt. Cause I spell it, I can see it there, trying to feel it all over your life with another sorrow. Can make this come to an end, to an end. You gotta keep on surviving, find your feet. It's never too late to change your fate. You can make this come to an end, to an end. Need to be free, release me from this cage. I'm turning a new page. I need the devil on my shoulder, need a worm that's getting colder. Please help me unleash the beast. With bare hands I come in peace. I can't see a thing, living in the dark night. Shine on me, I wanna come and spark light. This tangle of us has become a way of life. Doing sinful deeds has caused me to pay a price. The situation is bleeding, desperation is breeding. Change is what I'm feeling. Lord, please, I'm pleading. Let it go, all the pain that you feel. Let it go, all the pain that you feel.
Hey yo, I wish you everybody a happy holiday. It's your boy Vanna, and this beat is produced by Dan EB from YouTube. You heard that? Yeah, I heard it. I hope you heard it. And this old station on the beat, yeah.
LT High, entering the madness. Let's go. I walk to the part of a fatty man, getting Johnny over rally with some pills inside on my every minute pass. I see the light on my lights are reaching on the fucking scary line. Too scared, get a freeze on this dream. Let's see, made this house a bit sweat. Get deducting, respecting my calling. Balance times of sister are fucking silent. The proper way of silent. Turn his did the dying coming. Put an ever scared of me to cause. I'm trying to make him a foot. I'm too rude, but now that the dream had gone. Daddy with the Johnny cam. Badly I'm pissed and drunk daily. It's all about my flesh, trying to get back normal life. But it's just a big of blast. Back on these days, I take it again and then get put it back to my head and say it's cocaine. And I feel like remember fake man underestimate until then. This thousand frank at the drain end up like LeBron James. I hate this motherfucking part and I hate this motherfucking game. I just wanna kill all the devil. It's like double O's of fans.
No love, no love, no love, no love, no love in this mind of a madness. Trust to the lust. Everything I touch, trust that I must. Different scene with a different dream. I'm the big beast with a big cheese. I'm the big boss in a big bro. Don't need applause, cause I got a crow. See on the wall, we can have a need. Can I get far with my needs? So please, can I get through with a different flu? I'm done wrong with no fun. Come jump with no gun. Everything I have to believe into us. With about time to a devil us. So it's only what? Because I'm the dual. Teams with them, I'm